In Photoshop, it could take you 20-30 minutes just to remove a background. In today's video, I'll be showing you a free app that does it in seconds. Firstly, let's take a look at Photoshop for you to be able to compare easily with the time. Let's just use the normal polygonal lasso tool, magnetic lasso tool, quick selection tool, and the magic wand tool. But immediately I found this app I'm about to show you. You see those Photoshop tools, they became really frustrating, because why would I be removing just a picture's background on Photoshop for 20-30 minutes while I can actually remove these same pictures 10 to 15 times on this app I'm about to show you. What I mean is I can remove up to 10 to 15 pictures while you're still removing just one picture on Photoshop. Don't misquote me, I'm not saying Photoshop has lost its charm. Maybe they just have to work on that background remover. But right now, I will show you the fastest and easy way to meet up deadlines. Graphic designer to graphic designer, client they choke person. Photoshop too, they are not efficient at all for background remover. They are really frustrating. And you know what? That has come to an end. Head straight to our browser. Type in PhotoRoom. So you click on the remove background. You can also do so many other things, but this is what we are using for our tutorial for today. Funny enough, this app or web page or website is just like Photoshop, but it is designed for 2025 and not for 2005. And also the best part, you don't need to compulsorily have a laptop. Everything is right in your pocket. Go to Google Play Store and install. If you're a graphic designer trying to start working more efficiently and creating high quality posts effortlessly, then your go-to app is PhotoRoom. PhotoRoom gives you that quality you want as a graphic designer. So now you can see how fast that was to remove a background on PhotoRoom. This is really efficient. If you want to save time, save money, try PhotoRoom today. It's completely free, it's fast, and it's your new creative superpower. If you want to edit pictures on PhotoRoom, you can actually edit the pictures color. Maybe you want it to be more white or something. You can play around with it, you know. So I hope you learned something today, and if you want to download PhotoRoom, you can check in the link in the description button to download. And let me know in the comment section, are you still using Photoshop for background removal?